So this set of tutorials is going to be teaching you how to make a really simple web app. So if you've come to this video wanting to know the absolute intricacy of making a Flask app, this is not the place. If you just want to kind of get a really simple thing going and actually know nothing about web applications at all, you're in the right place. Okay, so the most important thing before you get started is to create some folders. Okay, it sounds silly, but you must get organized with web apps. So what do we need? Well, create yourself an initial folder. I've called mine Create a Web App. Okay, you can call it whatever you want to. And you need two folders, one called Static and one called Templates. Now, I'll explain what these two folders are used for later on, but for now, they are going to be needed. Okay, so we are going to be placing our Python code into this folder, this Create a Web App folder. We're going to be placing our HTML files, and these are the files that we're going to use to display stuff in the browser in this templates folder. And finally, the static folder is going to be containing our styles, our images, and basically any stuff that isn't going to change. Ergo, the word static. And as I said, I'll show you what goes into these two as we start to make our app.